Zildjian is a manufacturer of cymbals and drumsticks. We have the distinction of being the oldest family-owned business in the United States, established in 1623, and the same family is still in charge of the company now. We sell our products worldwide. Some of the top bands in the world use Zildjian cymbals and drumsticks. We're using CSI today in Norwell, Massachusetts, and in Newport, Maine for both of our factories, and we have a West Coast office for our artist relations that also uses CSI. Copley's been a trusted partner of ours for over 14 years. When we have a new initiative, we reach out to them. They know our business, they know our system. CSI is our core business application. We use it from everything from procurement of raw materials through the production process to inventory control to order entry, and then AR and AP up to the GL. We've been very happy with Info's investment in the tool set, and we've taken advantage of a lot of the functionality they've added over the years. We've been on the system for 13 years, so we've seen it grow. Along with that, Copley's partnered with us for that whole time. They know our business really well, and some of the consultants that helped us install it are still with us. Prior to CSI, we didn't have a lot of information coming from our actual job manufacturing transactions, and now we do. Costing was also an area where we didn't have really detail on how to track where labor, overhead, material was being used, and now we have all that information, which is really nice. One of the biggest challenges for any manufacturer is getting that sales demand to the production floor. So having forecasting, the advanced planning module, and production all in one solution is key for us. The advanced planning system has allowed us to be more predictive on what we're building and when we're building it, ensuring our customers have what they need when they need it. Copley's been a great partner. I can remember an instance where we had a server issue that threw everything into question, and I reached out and they jumped on our account, logged in remotely, and worked with us until the wee hours of the morning to ensure that we didn't lose any data and that everything was back to normal. It's nice to have somebody that has your back like that.